Alright! We are back. It's been a little while, but we're back with some more Friday the 13th, the game. Alright, we're back. Here we go. We put it on 7 bots, hard. Because hard is the highest setting, and 7 is the highest amount of bots you can have. And we're doing the Pinehurst map. Yeah, we're gonna go around and we're gonna kill everyone. Alright, here we go. It's been a little while since we last played.
Make them remember what they did to us, Jason. Kill them.
Oh, crap. Yeah. I hit the wrong button. Alright, let's start up here. Alright, can I get rid of the walls real quick? Imagine someone's under this bed right here. Oh! Just imagine someone was in here the whole time. No, I don't think there's anyone in here right now. Oh, but? Nope. Just imagine. Looks like there's some people up here this way, so we're gonna head up towards here. Yep, across over there. Looks like there's some people. Oh, can I seriously not jump off that? Oh my god! I have to go freaking around to here. Oh, there's some people. Oh, yeah, I saw the red. Oh, there are some people in that. I think there's 2 people in there. Oh, hello. I didn't even know you were here. Alright, there's someone in here as well. Yep. Crap, they got a pocket knife.
I want to hurt you, Jason.
Fuck.
Don't let them.
Who is that?
It's Jason Voorhees. Crap. I think they went to one of these houses. Yep, they went in this one. Okay. Oh, yep, they're over there. Come on, catch up, catch up. Okay, okay, they jumped into the other house. Hello. Yeah! Oh, yes,
They
boys.
deserve to die, Jason. Make them suffer.
Oh! Got him. There's someone over here too, I think. I think they ran away though.
Kill for mother.
I bet they're in one of these tents. They're not in this one. Okay, they weren't. There was no one in that one. What about this one? Okay, there isn't anyone in this tent either. There isn't anyone in either of those tents. They, oh crap. I can't even see them on my senses. They must have ran away. Wait, let's check down here. See if there's anyone down here. Oh, yep. There's someone over here. Crap! Of course I have to have a freaking pocket knife.
Up, Jason. Find them. Kill them.
I'm trying. Alright. Oh, they jumped through the window over here, it sounds like. I'm gonna go ahead and open this door so they can't lock me. Oh, yep. Oh, they're coming back in the house.
No, stop!
No, I won't stop till you're dead. Crap, they ran back outside. What the crap? Oh my god, the bot just keep using the freaking windows to escape me. Like every video I make on this. You thought you could escape me? Crap. Crap! Oh my god, I missed 2 of the knives in a row. Oh, they're injured, so they're running slow! Get him! Yes! Yes!
Yes. Kill for mother.
Get rid of the door so they can't lock me out. There's no one around, so we're gonna go ahead and teleport. Let's teleport here this time. Crap. Oh, hello there.
Please, no!
Crap. Crap! Crap! Me! Of course they have the freaking pocket knife, man!
No matter what they do to you, you cannot die.
Oh my
You
god!
can never die.
They're inside this house somewhere. Or actually... Oh, no, they're not. They're gonna try and make an escape. Bad idea. Now you're dead. Goodbye!
That's my Jason. That's my special boy.
Oh, oh my... Alright. Okay, so... No. Oh, there's gotta be someone in here. Oh my god, I was really hoping there would be someone in there. Alright. Okay, so there's no one in there.
Hey.
There's no one in there. So... I think there's someone over here. Go through... Oh, that was a nice cut we did through the bridge. Oh yeah, this part of the map is glitched. Watch what happens when you hit the stuff. Oh, not right there, but... Hold on, it's somewhere. Maybe it's when you're inside. We'll see. No? Oh, maybe they fixed it. I mean, yeah, it makes sense they would fix it, but it was kind of cool to see it. Alright, there's no one around here. Oh, they're running. Oh, Jesus. Come on! How the... Oh! Why the crap? Why would you jump through the freaking window if I'm right next to? I have no idea why you would do that. Alright.
That's my Jason. That's special boy.
Oh, there's just one person left, and then we win. Right, there's one person left, and then we win. They don't seem to be... Okay, we're gonna try back up here. It doesn't look like they're up here. Right, we're gonna kill the power. Alright, I'm gonna go up here, break the door, so if the person who I'm looking for ends up here, they can't lock me out. What the crap? Just imagine they were in here. Oh my god, just imagine. That would be the darkest kill cam in this game ever. Alright, they're still not around here, so... Okay, I'm gonna teleport down here. Nope. Oh my god. Well, Justin... Oh my god, I was hoping they would be down here. Let's see... Alright, let's get the throwing knives. Who the crap? Who the crap is this? Who the crap is this? Oh my god, look at this freaking painting. So far, I only just need to kill that one person, but if they call Tommy Jarvis, then I have to deal with 2 people. So I want to try and get them before they have the chance to do that. Because then I have to deal with 2 people instead of just 1. I'm just getting rid of all the walls in this house, so it's a lot easier to catch them. Alright. They're still not around here. Oh! Ho, ho, ho. Hello! No! No! Oh, yes! No, 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 yes! Come on. Don't have a pocket knife. Don't have a pocket knife. Yes! Oh, yes! Let's go! Yeah!
Don't stop, Jason. They
You
deserve
killed
to
7
die.
out of 7.
Make them suffer like we did.
Okay, we got all 7 of them, which is good.
Sweet Jason. Mommy is proud of you.
Imagine all moms being proud of their sons for killing people. Jesus, that would be crazy. Returning to main menu. Alright, we're gonna do one more for the video. That was the first one. We're gonna do one more for the video. Alright. Offline bots. Let's do a different map. Let's do Jarvis' house. Alright. Wait, hold on. Do I have any more kills? I do. Let's do this one. Alright. And boom! Oh wait. Boom! Alright. Bro, what in the crap? Yeah, they asked for this. Mine's turned up. It's not my fault. They asked for this.
Stop hitting stuff. Stop hitting stuff.
They're here, Jason. Find them.
Okay, we're gonna... Alright, let's go here first. Oh, there's someone. They're bringing us the house. Crap! Crap! No!
Take you from me, Jason.
Oh, that went bad. Okay, so there's someone over there, but there's someone in the house. I had to choose, and I just chose to go for the person in the house. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna have to turn the volume up even louder. Oh my
Get
god.
up, Jason. Find them. Kill them.
Okay, yep, the volume's getting turned up even louder. You know, I don't want to turn the volume up louder because, you know, it becomes kind of annoying, but my family's asking for it. Ah! Oh my
They want
god!
to hurt you, Jason.
This one bot is wrecking me. They hit me with they hit me with a melee weapon, then they used a pocket knife on me, and then they shot me with the flare gun. Okay. I'm going for him.
No!
Oh, I almost sniped them. No. Yes. Yes, I opened it in time before they could block it. Wait, where are they at? Okay, they're over here. Oh, no, let me... Oh, thank you. Thank you. Now I can kill you,
Don't let
hopefully.
them.
Okay, you can let me in. Oh my god, let me out of the thing! Okay. I've had enough of this spot. Oh my god! Oh my god!
To hurt you, Jason. Don't let them.
First kill, and
That's my Jason.
first kill, and that took so long.
Special boy.
Oh crap, I teleported to the wrong place. I really just teleported back to the freaking cabin I started at. Oh my god, I didn't mean to do that. Crap. Oh, there's no one around. Hello there. Oh my god! I freaking hate the pocket
They
knife.
want to hurt you, Jason. Don't let them.
Wow, now they're all the way back there. What the crap am I stuck on? I was hoping they would be hiding under the bed. What they're in here? Yes! Yes! Thank God!
They deserve to die, Jason.
Oh my
Make
God,
them
that
suffer.
took freaking forever. Once again, there's no one else here. Oh, there's two bots here. Oh, they're not even moving. They're not even. Oh, now they are. Thank God we got one kill. Alright. Now we gotta kill this one.
That's my Jason.
Where did they go?
That's
Where did
my
they go? I think did they go in
special
here?
boy.
Oh no, they went over here. Crap. Oh, come on. Gonna open the door? Alright, there. Let's go! Okay, we got 4 kills now. We got 4 kills now. We got 4
Yes.
kills.
Kill for mother.
Okay. Oh, I teleported into the water. We got 4 out of 7. There's only 3 left. Unless they call Tommy Jarvis, then there's gonna be 4 left. Oh, there's someone over here. Oh my god, the tree's in the way. I can't see because of the tree. Oh my god. I'm gonna snipe him. Oh my god, that was so close to hitting them. That was so close. Come on, give me the thing back. I need the thing back in order to catch up. Okay, come on. Okay. They're in here. Okay, I'm hoping they're still in the house, but they could have ran out. What the crap? Grab the freaking thing! Oh my god! Oh my god, I think they left. Yep, they did. Okay, we just have 2 left.
That's my special boy.
We have 2 left unless they call Tommy Jarvis, then there's gonna be 3. Like there's someone in here. Oh no, they must be in another house or someone. Wait, I'm gonna. Oh crap! I hit that button by accident. Let's check upstairs. Crap. Really hoping they'd be in there. Yes! Let's go.
Don't stop, Jason. They deserve to die. Make them suffer like we did.
Alright. Oh, hey there! Crap!
They want to hurt you, Jason. Don't let them.
Come on. Come on. It's time to end this.
Who is that? Oh my god, I can't look.
Oh, no. Come back here. No, crap. Crap. No, where'd they go? Wow, I lost them. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh, there they are. Come on. Come on. Yes! Come on. Let's go. Thank God.
That's my boy.
Let's go. 7 out of 7 once again.
Hey. You've done your job well, and Mommy is pleased. Come home, sweetie.
Alright, we got all 7 once again. At first, it didn't look like I was going to because I spent so long getting that first person because they just kept running and I couldn't catch them. But finally, I caught them, and I didn't think I was gonna be able to get all 7 because of that. But luckily, I still did. Well, anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I was using that comment, comment, and subscribe. Bye.